Mastering the gears, the magic of manual transmission. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're shifting gears to explore a phrase that's crucial for drivers and intriguing for language learners around the world: manual transmission. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just curious about English terms, this video will drive you through the ins and outs of manual transmission. Let's get started. At its core, manual transmission is a type of gearbox used in vehicles that requires the driver to manually switch gears while driving. Unlike automatic transmission, where the car does the gear shifting for you, manual transmission puts you in control. You need to use a clutch pedal and a gear stick to change gears based on your speed and driving conditions. This might sound daunting at first, but it offers a level of control and engagement with the vehicle that many driving enthusiasts love. Understanding manual transmission is easier when you know its key components. The clutch pedal, located to the left of the brake pedal, it disengages the gears when you press it, allowing you to shift to a different gear. The gear stick. This is what you move to select gears, usually arranged in a pattern that you'll need to memorize and feel comfortable with. Gears. Cars with manual transmission typically have 5 or 6 forward gears and 1 reverse gear. Knowing how to manipulate these components smoothly is the essence of driving a car with manual transmission. So, why do some drivers prefer manual transmission? There are a few key reasons. Control. Drivers have more control over their vehicle, which can be crucial for performance driving or in certain road conditions. Fuel efficiency. Manual cars can be more fuel efficient, as you can control how high your engine revs before shifting gears. Cost. Vehicles with manual transmission tend to be less expensive, both in terms of initial purchase price and maintenance costs over time. Learning to drive a car with manual transmission might seem challenging, but it's incredibly rewarding. Here are a few tips for beginners. 1. Practice clutch control. Getting a feel for the clutch and learning the biting point is crucial. 2. Start slow. Begin in an empty parking lot or a quiet street to build your confidence. 3. Stall recovery. Don't worry if you stall the car. It happens to everyone. Learn how to quickly recover and start again. We hope this journey through the world of manual transmission has been enlightening and enjoyable. Understanding how different components of language and machinery work can enrich our knowledge and skills in surprising ways. Whether you're behind the wheel or navigating the complex roads of English language learning, remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Drive safe and keep learning.